Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Even though Filelinked was one of my go-to apps, unfortunately, it is no longer available. However, we have a handful of backup apps, which is good. If you know of another app that you think is a good Filelinked alternative, do let me know in the comments section below.
Let's help you make your mark.
The best alternative is F-Droid, which is both free and open source. Other great apps like Filelinked are Aurora Store, free, open source, Google Play Store, free, Aptoid, free, open source, and APK Pure, free.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It's now confirmed that the powerful Alliance for Creativity and Entertainment took Filelinked down. That raises the question of whether services that offer the same functionality will be able to weather the storm.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.